Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll be learning more about stay, down, and advanced control commands. There, your pet starts going from trained impressively well. Let me ask you, can your pet stay calm even when there are distractions? Not. That's exactly what we are building today. First rule, build on what you already know. Before we begin, your pet should already understand sit because everything today builds on that foundation. First command, stay. It's a next level control. We introduced this earlier. Now let's master it. Step by step. Ask your pet to sit. Show your palm. Say stay. Take one step back. If they stay, reward immediately. Now slowly increase the distance, the time, and distractions. Always go step by step. They break the command. No frustration, just reset calmly. Next is the down command. This command helps your pet relax and settle. First step is start with your pet in sit, hold a treat near their nose, slowly move it down to the floor as their body follows. The moment they lie down, say down and reward instantly. This teaches calm behavior equals reward. Next is combination control. Now we combine commands. For example, sit, then stay, then come. This builds focus, obedience, mental engagement. Your pet starts listening step by step. Next is adding real life distractions. Once your pet improves, test their control. Walk around them, drop a toy nearby, make small noises. If they stay focused, that's a big reward. Give them some treat. This is how you build real world discipline. Next are the common mistakes to avoid. First and the most common mistake is moving too fast. If you increase difficulty too quickly, your pet fails. Second most common mistake is repeating command. Just say it once and then guide. Don't repeat it continuously. I've told you this before as well. Next is not rewarding enough. Especially in early stages, reward every minor and that will lead to your success. Next is a pro tip which is end on a win. Always finish training when your pet succeeds. This keeps motivation high for the next session. Challenge. Right after this video, practice stay for just 5 seconds. That's it. Ask stay, step back, reward if successful. Small win means big progress. Remember this. And here's something powerful. Control is not about dominance. It's about clarity and trust. Once your pet understands these commands, you will notice a huge difference in their behavior. With this, we'll conclude this lecture, and in the next lecture, we are doing something most people think is impossible training cats to respond. Yes, it can be done. So keep practicing, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next lecture.